Nurturing leads. How to use email and social media for effective lead nurturing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to nurture your leads through email and social media. Nurturing leads is a critical component of any successful marketing strategy, and one effective way to do this is through email marketing. Another effective way to nurture leads is through social media. By creating valuable and engaging content for your email and social media campaigns, you can build trust with your leads and ultimately convert them into customers. Remember, the goal of nurturing leads is to guide them through the buying process, and offering exclusive deals or promotions is a great way to do that. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about how to effectively nurture your leads through email and social media, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Start nurturing your leads today with effective email and social media campaigns. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.